Look, tiny ants are marching. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 4 little ants marching on the ground. He sees a leaf and carries it around. March, 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 what a busy crew. Here comes another, now there are 2. 2 little ants marching by a tree. They work together, happy as can be. One more joins with a smile so free. Count them all, now there are 3. 3 little ants marching in a line. Working together, they're doing just fine. Another joins in quick as can be. Let's clap and count, now there are 4, you see. 4 little ants marching side by side, helping each other with so much pride. One more comes with a tiny dance. Count them all, now there are 5 ants. Woohoo! 5 friendly ants, marching all day, working and playing in their own way. Count with me, it's fun to do. Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woohoo! Great job counting with the ants. See you next time for more fun learning. Keep watching Kids Fun and Learn channel. Bye-bye!